Okay, now for the flowers, which this is gonna be kind of long because I grew a lot of flowers this year. I say never, like I've been growing for so long. I've only been growing for a few years, but I never was into growing flowers. I was that beginner gardener who was like all about the vegetables. But I finally grew flowers last year and I went nuts. Nuts. So where do we even start? Okay, let's start with sunflowers. Okay, so first we have the Goldie Honey Bear sunflower from Botanical Interest. I saw Brie Ellis grow this one year and she just made it look like so beautiful, so pretty, so fluffy. So I wanted to grow it too. And it really is like that pretty and fluffy looking and so cute. It's all bulky because I did seed save from this because, you know, seeds are expensive. Save where you can. You get one big head, and then if you can see in the picture, it grows little shoots like that, so you get many little Goldie Honey Bear sunflowers. So I loved it. I will be growing it again. Next, we have the Velvet Queen sunflower, which I think I got this from Walmart or Lowe's. This is the one. I called this like Queen Viola, Queen Violet. I called it every name in the book besides the Velvet Queen all year. I could not like memorize that. I don't know why. I thought this was so beautiful. It's a little bit different than like your classic sunflower. Mine, the one that I grew didn't quite look like that. It was more of like an ombre effect, like from dark orange to red. It was really, really pretty. I made the most beautiful kind of like dark arrangement out of the, you know, with the sunflowers being the focal point, and it's like one of my favorite arrangements that I made last year. So I will grow this again eventually. Next, we'll go on to the Rudbeckias. So I grew these black-eyed Susans from Botanical Interest. I don't know why I couldn't think of that. Maybe it's because these were like the first to bloom in my garden this year, but I was so in love with them. They look like little tiny sunflowers. They were just so cute and happy. They also grow kind of weird. Like it was kind of difficult to put them in arrangements because one, they're kind of a thin, like flimsy flower. Keep that in mind. They're not very like hardy. So to put them in an arrangement, you have to be kind of careful. But if you like that whimsical look and you don't mind that, then this is a nice flower. Next, the Cherokee Sunset Rudbeckia. I should have saved this for last because this is my all-time favorite flower ever. Like this takes the award, this takes the cake, this one right here. I was so over the top impressed with this flower. It grows a bunch of different kinds of looking flowers like you see in the picture. Like you get some that look like this one back here, which look like a lion's mane to me. Like they were just really fluffy, cute flowers. And then you get these that have kind of like the ombre effect from like dark red to orange, which were pretty. They're just kind of like single petaled. They were just, oh, so beautiful. They're a hardy flower, so you could put them in arrangements. Oh, and then some of them were brown. I know I'm weird, but brown and like tan are one of my favorite colors. The color scheme of these flowers are like orange, yellow, brown, really dark purple. I was really, really into it. So growing it again next year, loved. Next, let's talk about the marigolds. So I grew this Queen Sophia marigold from, again, this is probably also from Walmart or Lowe's. I really liked it. They're really pretty. They really do look like that. Like kind of that ombre, dark red, yellow situation. They grow a lot. So you plant one seed and it'll turn into a bush. I promise, that's all you need. Marigolds will always be a part of my garden, like 100% every year. I just am trying different varieties. I really love marigolds. Because I love marigolds, I tried the Kilimanjaro white marigold and I wasn't that impressed. They're, first of all, really tall. Like maybe if I would have read it, I would have known that. But because I'm so used to growing smaller marigolds, like that grow more in like a bush. And then the other thing was the color. I guess they do accurately portray what it looks like. They're more yellow. Once in a while, you'll get one that's more white, but even then it's like a pale, like dirty white.